Good evening. This is just a quick video about a trip I took to visit my son, and we also had a guided fishing trip at Lake Murray, South Carolina. Coast to Cove charters. Check them out if you're down that way. We had a wonderful time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. All right, trying to get packed up for my first ever guided fishing trip. All right, just got to Augusta, Georgia. Coming into my son's apartment where I'm spending the night, and we're going fishing tomorrow. All right, 7 o'clock on a Sunday night. Just getting back from Lake Murray, South Carolina. Had a great guided fishing trip today. Had to go a day late because of the weather, but it was a great time. You've got to make a quick trip down to Bass Pro when you're in Augusta. They got a Cabela's there. Just one of the smaller ones, so you don't have to spend hours walking through there. Thanks again for watching. I hope to have more videos out soon, so stay tuned.